Musamselek, when he is with Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Machele, he want to hug them or kiss them. But when it comes to Makumalo, they can shake a hand. It means that he is not in love with Makumalo. He is not comfort with Makumalo. You know that I remember Makumalo was asking for a kiss to Musamseleku on season 7. Musamseleku didn't want and say you put a lipstick, what. But when it comes to Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Machele, he can kiss them very well. So it means that his spirit is not in Makumalo, especially now on season 9. Musamseleku didn't hug Makumalo. We didn't see Musamseleku hug Makumalo, even they meet. You know that Makumalo is the one who is wasting her time with the Musamseleku. So sometimes, guys, you can waste your time with the person you don't love. Maybe she is doing it for content, but in real life, those people, they are no longer together. And Makumalo knows that deep down in her heart, Musamseleku is not in love with her. Maybe they are doing now for content because they want to shoot the content, but they are no longer together. Musamseleku, he is not in love with Makumalo. It's better Musamseleku to release Makumalo. Makumalo can be in another relationship. You know that when it comes to Makumalo, guys, deep down, even in my heart, I feel for that woman that she have to find another man who loves her. When it comes to Makumalo, she have to be, because sometimes, guys, you can close the doors for people who truly loves you than to be with a man who is Musamseleku doesn't have feelings for Makumalo. We don't want to lie. Doesn't have even one feeling for Makumalo. Sometimes that's why you saw a man who loves you, have got feelings for you. He can come, even you are angry, he can do something to fix things with you. Musamseleku, even Makumalo, she is angry. His heart is not like in Makumalo, guys. We don't want to lie. That girl, guys, even Makumalo's sister, they are telling Makumalo that this man is not in love with you. He is not even in love. Even one feelings, doesn't have feelings for Makumalo. Musamseleko. We don't want to lie, guys, to Makumalo. We say what to your husband, but what I saw, Makumalo is an understanding person. Makumalo, she loves Musamseleko. Especially things are going opposite. You understand? Makumalo loves Musamseleko. Makumalo have to understand that she is no longer belong there. She is no longer belong at Mseleko's family. Makumalo, you have to find someone who have got feelings for her. There is other men, guys. Makumalo is an independent woman. Makumalo can't stay in that marriage because Musamseleku was the one who supported her on her business, but she can't live with Musamseleku. She can do it, guys. Makumalo can open her own program on DSTV and have her own things to leave Musamseleku, because I think Makumalo is wasting her time. What I saw to Makumalo, that man doesn't have even a feeling for Makumalo, doesn't feel anything when it comes to Makumalo. He can say baby Makumalo is still here, because, guys, it's not him. Because you can say it's your husband who doesn't sleep with you 6 months or 7 months, half a year. You say you are married. You are married for what? For what, guys? 6 months. You are sleeping alone on your blanket. You say you are married. So that girl, guys, have to leave Musamseleko. Maybe to Mangwabe. Mangwabe doesn't want to have sex with Musamseleko. But when it comes to Makumalo, we have feelings for Musamseleko, but Musamseleko doesn't have feeling anything. Makumalo have to switch her feelings to Musamseleko, because you can switch your feelings. Because sometimes you can say this is my man. It's not her husband. They are not soulmates. We don't want to lie to Makumalo. We have to tell you the truth that Makumalo and Musamseleko are not soulmates, are not husband and wife. Because she can claim herself, but what we saw, because people, maybe she didn't see, but she have to hear as people we are saying, because we saw it. We saw how Musamseleku acted when it comes to Makumalo, that he is not in love with her.